Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're gonna go ahead and diagnose and fix this little portable air conditioner. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and check out my little portable AC. Looks like it's giving me problems, so we're gonna go ahead and take it all apart and check it out, see if we can fix it. So what it's doing, it's basically when it's on and it spins, it's getting stuck. So I'm gonna take it all apart and figure it out. Hopefully I just find something in there that's making it get stuck. So it's about 3 years old, so it might be time to change it, but let's go ahead and try to fix it. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the little bolts from the back. So you have little spots here where you can remove the bolts. Just go to every part where it has a bolt and just remove the bolt with your Phillips screwdriver. And then on the bottom and the front, I did have one bolt. I did remove that bolt also. So this is what the unit looks like once you remove the plastic pieces. It's basically undressed. So here we have access to everything inside. So we're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, hit power, and see what's gonna happen. All right, you see that? Got stuck. So looking from the top of the unit, we do have some foam pieces here. We did remove them. We just cut the sides because it was just taped. So I just cut them and they just removed pieces by pieces. Alright guys, so once we have the little fan exposed, it's just a 13 millimeter. Just go ahead and remove that and this fan should just come off. Alright guys, so I was hoping something was getting the fan stuck, but now I'm at the motor piece and it looks like still doing the same thing. I turned it on. So what it sounds like, it's in this compartment right here. That's what it sounds like. So it looks like we're gonna have to go further in. Alright, so this is the bottom of the fan under the motor. So there's a little fan under right there that spins. It's a little blower, and I got my wrench right there, and it was I believe it was a 10 millimeter. So I'm holding it on right there, and that's how I was able to loosen up the top. So in order for me to remove this motor, I did have to take off the bolts. Did have some Phillips screws, and then some little tiny bolts. So just remove those. And then what I did, I got the vice grips. I held it right here on this bar. And there was a bolt, it looks like this one, on the bottom of the fan. So I got a wrench, pulled it from the bottom, got my vice grips right here, held it here, and then from the bottom in the inside, got my wrench and I loosened it up. Now as soon as I loosen that up, this motor comes out, and then from there we'll disconnect the electricity. So now that we have the motor removed, we're gonna go ahead and open up this little box and have everything exposed. Then from there, we're gonna go ahead and follow these wires. So we had that little clip on the top, which I disconnected, which is right there. Then we have a relay right here, which I'm gonna loosen up. Loosen up that bolt right there, that Phillips, and remove that relay. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put everything back together. It looks like I'm able to go ahead and test it out before I put it all back together completely. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And then I'm going to lower the temperature. Make sure it's on 62. Make sure the compressor kicks on. So it kicked on, I just heard it. And then I felt this, and this was getting cold. And no more noise rattling. Alright guys, so it's not making all that crazy noise anymore. It looks good. So far it's 62 degrees, so everything looks very good. It looks like it's been fixed. I did not find any parts online. I did have to buy a broken unit in order for me to fix my unit, and this is what the broken unit looks like. I did take it apart, remove the motor, and I went ahead and installed it on this one, and this is the outcome. So hopefully this video helps. You guys have a wonderful day.
That's evident. Let go and let God, and I ain't been the same ever since. A whole lot's changed since I got my mind right. No looking back, my past is in hindsight. It's only I'm brand new. Fresh out the box, yeah, I'm brand new. Everything about me is brand new, brand new. Fresh out the box, yeah, I'm brand new.